Hello traders, how are you today? How has been your trading journey? Hope you are progressing. Yeah, I'm happy to come to you again with another interesting and beautiful video that would help you to further progress your journey and increase your success rate in the business of forex trading. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for your support. I so much appreciate it. And thank you so much if you're a new subscriber. You are welcome to our channel, and the purpose of our channel is to present you with educational videos and contents as to how you can become a successful forex trader. All right, so let's proceed with the video. Please, before I forget, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will be alerted when new videos are uploaded. All right, and there is a forex telegram group that we have that is free. You can join that group. I post chart analysis from time to time in that group, free chart analysis, so that's to help you, trading ideas that can help you also to make your own trades. All right, let's move into the video for today, the content for today. So becoming a forex millionaire with this new forex strategy. There's a new forex strategy that I have been actually backtesting for several months now, and I have seen that it's the strategy is actually good if you trade by the rules of it. So what's the name of this strategy? Is how to trade support and structural level breakout strategy. All right, how to trade support or structural level breakout strategy. You're already aware what support and resistance are. Support actually is like the floor of your house, while resistance is like the roof of your house. Okay, so support, actually, you are already aware from your retail understanding of the market that a support level is a place whereby is a place whereby price has been trying to break, whereby price has been reversing from, and resistance level also is a place whereby price has been reversing from for some time or some moment. Okay, so but there's I'm not just trying to tell you to trade the literal support and the support or the normal support or resistance level that you already are aware of, but the breakout of the support or in form of a structural level. Okay, the breakout and retest of it, that is what I want you to know, that if you trade that, if you are able to understand that strategy and backtest it on your own and see how it works, if you feel it's something that you want to trade, you can actually trade it and make good profits if you trade it by the rules. Okay, so let's see how to trade this the support or resistance level breakout strategy, or the structural level breakout and retest strategy. First of all, you need to identify a channel. Okay, you need to identify a channel. You already know what channel is. If you do not know what a channel is, you can check out my video on chart patterns. Okay, my video on chart patterns, I talk about the chart patterns, and you would see what channel is. A channel is actually is like just a channel. You know what a channel is. Is like a trench whereby price moves within when price moves within a form of an arbitrary trench. Okay, arbitrary trench within two trend lines in form of a channel. So that we call that channel in forex trading. So when you identify a channel and then you identify a support or resistance level in the channel. Okay, when you identify a support or resistance level in a channel, then number 3, you need to wait for a successful breakout of a support or resistance. You wait for a successful breakout of the support or resistance. Now the next thing to do, you wait for a valid retest of the support or resistance. Okay, when you have had a successful valid retest of support or resistance, now you can enter on some form of candle confirmation, which can be in form of a pin bar or a bullish engulfing candle. All right, so you enter in form of a pin bar or a bullish engulfing candle, or some form of a change of character. Okay, or some form of a change of character or break of structure. Okay, in a lower time frame. Okay, then when you do that, now you can you would exit the trade. Your stop loss would actually be above the pin bar or above the engulfing candle. Okay, your stop loss would be above the pin bar, above the engulfing candle, or above the structural level that you have gotten into, above at the other side of the structural level. Okay, so but we're going to see that in the chart as we proceed. So now the minimum take profit for this strategy is 1:2. That's the minimum take profit. You can have 1:5, 1:3 or more, but minimum take profit should be around 1:2. Now let's see how this strategy works in a chart. Now this is a chart of Euro USD, the H1 time frame of Euro USD. Okay, now as you can see, price was moving in a channel. This is the channel. This is the channel. As I said, price moving in between two trend line, two opposite trend lines that are in the form of a channel. Okay, it's price moving. So now these are structural levels. This is a support level. This is also a support level. Here, when we are here, this is like a resistance. When price is around this area, this forms a resistance. Okay, this is a support level. Now when price breaks this support level and retests it, it's the trader gets in and places stop loss below the structural level or the support level and moves and expects to make profits of 1:2 and above. Now this is another support level. This is a structural level. Okay, price moves within the channel, breaks this structural level here, okay, comes back to retest it around here, and now price bought up. So your stop loss should be around this point below the structural level here. Okay, so and again price now formed another support, another resistance or structural level, breaks it, retests it, and now moves up. So the idea behind the idea of this strategy is to identify structural levels, and the structural levels in form of resistance or support, but not just any structural level anywhere. No, structural levels within a channel. All right, we are talking about structural levels within a channel. So when you identify a channel and have some form of structural levels identified within the channel, you can use this strategy, and it's supposed to work well for you. But you need to wait for a successful break of a structural level and a retest of the level, and then you get into the trade, whether in form of a buy or a sell. Let's look at another example. Okay, this is also Euro USD H4. You see the structural level, price broke the structural level, came and retest, but also broke another structural level, retest here, but broke another structural level, and now price has left the channel. Okay, so here price has left this channel, so you don't trade around this point because the price has already left the channel at that point. So this setup stops to work in this channel. This channel has been completed. Price has exited the channel. Okay, so that is it. So when price has exited the channel, so you don't continue until a new channel is formed. Until a new channel is formed. Now let us see other example. Now you see this is the channel that we are into, Euro USD, the channel that we are into. So price now broke it, start forming another channel, formed another channel, and now we draw our channel. This was actually an ascending channel or a bullish channel. This was a bullish channel. Okay, bullish channel. And now we got into the price left the bullish channel and started selling. Okay, started selling and formed a bearish channel. Okay, so there are different approaches to the market. Okay, if actually you want to trade this, you can trade this market in form of as a smart money trader by having a break of structure and retest. Okay, break of structure, change of character, break of structure, and now retest, and now the sell-off. All right, but another easy way you can do this, if you're not a smart money trader or you have not really grasped the smart money trading principle or the demand supply trading principle perfectly, you can also use this channel as a guide. Okay, the market, you approach the market from different areas, from different pathway. There are different pathways to the market. You can have 10 pathways to the market leading to the same thing. It all depends on your understanding of the concept and you following the rules that guides that particular pathway. Okay, so now price has now formed a bearish channel, and now in this channel price is moving within the channel, and it is only for sell. Do only take sell trades in a bearish channel. This is a bullish channel. Only take sell buy trades in a bullish channel. All right, a bullish channel like this, you cause for only buy trades. A bearish channel, you're only looking for sell trades. I need to state this clearly so that you trade within the market structure, or in line with the market structure. Now in this case, price broke this support level. All right, okay, broke this support level, retest the level, and now sold. So you're getting in here, you're getting in just at the retest of the support level. You are getting in at the retest, you sell, and stop loss should be above the structural level that was actually broken. Okay, now the next structural level is this one down. Price was actually, how do we know it's a structural level? Price came down here, but came down again, bought briefly, and before it broke it. So when price broke it, you broke it somewhere around here, you wait for a retest of the level, and you now sell. Here again, price broke through this level, you wait for a retest, price retested, market retested the level, and now sold again. So your entry will be at the second candle after the retest, and stop loss will be above the structural level. Okay, another one happened somewhere around here. The level was broken, the market came here, respected this level, bought up, came down, broke the level, came to retest the level, and now sold. Okay, so this is a very this is actually an intraday trading strategy that can actually work for you. Okay, it's an intraday strategy that can actually work for you and help you to gain some profit, and it's easy, very easy to use if you work by the rules, and it has a good success rate if you work by the rules. So a retest, a break of structural level, a retest of the level, and you take your trades either to the buy side or to the sell side, depending on the market structure, whether a bullish market structure or a bearish market structure, in form of a bullish channel or a bearish channel. Now let's see other example. This is for GBP USD. It can work in any time frame. This is a D1 or daily time frame for GBP USD. You see, market was moving the channel, and there are structural levels that have been broken and retested, and which form possible buy trades and successful buy trades. Structural levels. Okay, another example will be from another chart. Okay, so these are levels, these are levels, and that you can trade from. First of all, identify a channel and work with the channel if you want to trade the strategy successfully. Okay, now this is another one, GBP USD bearish channel. The one we've looked at initially was a bullish channel. GBP USD bullish daily channel. Now GBP USD bearish channel. Price got into a channel, forming a channel, broke this the structural level, retested it, and sold. Came again, broke a structural level, retested it around here, and sold. Broke this level again, came back to retest it here, and sold. Okay, you see how this strategy works. And stop loss should be just above the structural level if you are selling, and your stop loss should be below your structural level if you are buying. Okay, let's see a trade I actually marked out. Look at this trade on Euro USD. This was in August. I marked out I published this in our Telegram group. Okay, I shared this chart. Now this was a structural level, okay, of GBP of Euro USD D1 time frame in August 2022. Okay, now I marked out this chart. Okay, I identified a successful break of structure to the downside, and I was expecting price to go and retest the structural level, and it actually got to that point. I marked that the market was going to sell upon a successful retest of the structural level, and guess what? The market sold. The market respected the setup and actually sold. Let's see. The market sold. You see, it was a successful break of structure, break of the level, structural level, support level. The market retested it. There was a pin bar around here, and you would have entered on this bearish candle down. The market sold down. When I took this screenshot, the market has sold down to this point, and it continued to sell subsequently. Okay, so you see that this strategy works. Here now, this is a structural level. This is another structural level. This is a structural level. These are structural levels in this bullish channel. In this bearish channel. So when you are in a bearish channel, you only take sell trades upon break of supports, break retest of supports, okay, and upon some form of candle confirmation. If you're in a bullish channel, you only take buy trades upon successful break of resistance and retest of the structural level, and you get in there, and upon some form of candle confirmation, place your stop loss just right below your structural level if you're in a buy trade, and you place your stop loss just right above your structural level if you are in a sell trade. I hope this strategy is clear. I'll be bringing you more and more strategies. I want to give you a lot of varieties. I want to be giving you a lot of varieties so that you have a lot of bullets in your armor to attack the market. Okay, you know what best strategy to use at every point in time for a particular market. There are different markets, different market structures. Okay, but if you have a lot of arsenal, a lot of weapons in your arsenal, a lot of weapons in your armor, you would know the right strategy to use at every point in time that suits a particular market behavior. All right, that is why I'm bringing you. I'll bring you more and more better, and more and not better, more and more new varieties of strategies that I have backtested. I backtest a lot of strategies. I have backtested, and I've seen that this strategy, if implemented with the right risk to reward ratio, with the right risk management, with the right risk management approach, right psychology, the strategy is supposed to bring in some money, more than it might be able to take out. So thank you so much for viewing our channel. Now let us do a wrap up. Now in conclusion, some special tips to improve your win rate while trading this strategy. I want to give you some special tips. Every strategy has some key highlights that would help the strategy to work better. So number one, ensure that you trade only within a channel. If you are trading this strategy, it works better if you identify a channel. Don't just trade it without. This channel will guide you to know whether you are in a bullish channel, a bullish market structure, or a bearish market structure. So first of all, draw your channel. Make sure you are trading the strategy within a channel. Okay, so because the setup becomes invalid once the price breaks out of a channel. So once price breaks out of a channel, know that you need to wait for a new channel to be formed, because the channel will guide you to know whether you're in a buy trade or in a sell trade. Okay, you are in a buy market structure or a sell market structure, a bullish market structure or a bearish market structure. Number two, your trades must be in line with the channel. I've already said that. Okay, in line with the market structure. I cannot overemphasize this. Always go with the trend. Always go with the trend. If you are going against the trend, you might find some difficulties in your trades. You have a lot of winning and losing trades most times. So always go with the trend. The trend is your friend. So number three, always wait for some form of candle entry confirmations, like an engulfing candle or a pin bar. And for some of us who know about the smart money trading principle, you can look for some form of break of structure, internal break of structure on a lower time frame that confirms that price is about to sell or buy. So you look for some form of candle confirmation, but the easiest one you can use for those who do not really know much about the smart money trading strategy, you can use the candle confirmation, engulfing candle confirmation, or the pin bar confirmation. You get in there into the trade and place your stop loss just above the structure in a sell trade or below the structure in a buy trade. So I want to thank you so much for viewing this video. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends. Please like and share our videos with your friends. The more you like our videos and the more you share our videos, we have more members. I will be more willing to provide you more contents, free contents that will improve your trading. Okay, so the link to our free Telegram channel analysis group is in the description box of this video. Okay, is in the description box of this video. And if you want me to mentor you, you want me to be your mentor, you want me to expose all I know to you, you want me to take you by the hand and see to it that you become a successful forex trader on a one-on-one mentorship program, I'll be very much willing to do that for you. I do that. I do not organize general trainings. No, I believe each person has every individual has his or her own learning rate. So I train you based on at your own pace. So if you want me to train you from the scratch on forex trading, I'll be willing to do that. Just do me a chat on my Telegram group. The link to my Telegram contact is in the description box of this video. So chat me up and let us start the training right away. And I wish you all the best. I wish you the best. I wish you success in your trading career, and I wish you a successful and a prosperous and a peaceful day. Bye. Thank you.